Dear friend, today we have new topic is a Signiraj. Signiraj. What is the meaning of the Signiraj? Signiraj is a profit earned by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) from issuing currency, calculated as a difference between the face value of notes of and coin and their product distribution cost. This is the surplus is transferred to the government of India as divided, acting as a actual non-tax revenue source. Definition of Signiraj: the revenue generated by the monopoly right to issue currency. Let us consider the face value of the money of the 500 rupees 500 rupees note. The value of money is 500 rupees note, but the cost of production of 500 rupees note is, let's say, is 100 rupees. Then the profit is known as Signiraj. Profit is 500 minus 100 rupees, means 400 rupees is a Signiraj of the RBI. RBI role. RBI as a sole authority of a banknote insurance. The RBI incur cost of printing example press note, but they issue them at a high face value, resulting the significant profit. Income source. It is considered one of the primary income source of the RBI, alongside return on the foreign assets and domestic bond holdings. Mechanism. When RBI issue a 500 rupees note costing only a few rupees to produce, let us say consider 100 rupees, the difference is considered the Signiraj. Inflation tax. High Signiraj, excessive money printing can lead to the inflation, effectively acting as a inflation tax on them the public. Transfer to the government. The surplus including Signiraj is transferred to the union government annually, helping finance public expenditure. Then we have